Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm so sorry. Today we're gonna go over to Fort Worth. But before we do that, I gotta make a little pit stop at the old gas station, which I like to call QT. It's short for Quick Trip. So let me go ahead and put some juice in this little sucker, and we'll get on the road, shall we? Hey, buddy. Hey. Pretty much full on gas, but I just want to be sure, you know what I mean? Better safe than sorry. Let me not show my card info. Keep that a secret. Get 10K likes on this video and we'll do a Zenith credit card reveal. Let's go ahead and put some 93 because it's good for you. There, we clicked. Okay, I think, hello? There we go. Okay, there we go. And fill her up. I've done this once or twice before. And I swear there's always one guy that's got to get in a wreck and it just ruins everybody's driving experience. I'm like halfway there, kind of, I think. I don't really know what the plan is. I wanted to go to the hood, but low-key, I don't know where that is at. I think it's South Fort Worth, but I don't know. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Zenith, you do not belong in the hood. You're absolutely correct, but it looks good on a thumbnail, baby. Aha! Aha! Anyways, but no, we'll probably just find something cool and then just go make a video. Look at, that's kind of sick. Was that like a Del Sol or something? That thing's cute. It's adorable. Well, I mean, while we're sitting here in traffic with no popos, might as well give her a little ripper there, huh? YouTube ain't gonna like that one. I might have to cut that out. Oopsies. Sorry, buddy. Anyways, I'll be back whenever we get down to Fort Worth, actually. Must be some action going down over here. There's like 6 cop cars on this street, and there's one guy standing there reading something. That guy almost walked right into me. You see that? I don't know where I'm going. I'm gonna just go through downtown real quick and I'm gonna go do a little switch back. I forget there's no people down here because it's literally like Tuesday or something. Not even, what does that say? Bible counseling or something. Something like it. Something like it. Ooh, that's a sketchy alleyway. Looks fun. Looks exciting, you know? The only bad part about downtown is that my bike gets really hot because all these stoplights. So if I don't have a plan, I just end up going in circles. But that's the thing, I don't really know about like where I'm going, so circles it will be. Oh, I'm so silly, I forgot I can turn left on a one-way. I'm so dumb and stupid. Here's what we finna do. I kinda wanna park my bike somewhere and then go for a little walk. You know, it looks nice out today. Oh, he's cleaning windows, what a pimp. Downtown is so nice, dude. It's so pretty. These buildings are quite something. It sucks that Fort Worth is just shadowed by Dallas. Nobody cares about Fort Worth when you got Dallas, you know what I mean? I mean, there's really not much here. There's some restaurants and then like office buildings. That's pretty much it. It's the thought that counts, right? They got a tattoo shop too and an Irish pub. What more could you ask for? Nothing. That's what. Nothing at all. Oh my God, it's hot outside. It is hot outside. My bike is 217 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could probably cook bacon on it right now. Hey buddy, what are we doing, huh? Cutting me off? Whee! A solid attempt by you, sir. Solid attempt. I don't know where I'm going, but... What are you... I'm not sure what he was doing, bro. I thought he was pulling over. He just moved a little bit. Bro, people are weird. People are mad weird. The fun part is I know how to get to Fort Worth, but I never know how to get out of Fort Worth. I get here, and then I'm like, okay, if I were to want to go home right now, where would I go? And then I don't even know where to start. Like, I have no clue. Hey, I don't even know what I'm looking at, dude. I'm just looking at it. That's cool. I've never been over there. I'm just exploring today, I guess. I guess that's the goal, is to explore. And my arms are hot. I got the vents open for what it's worth. It's still hot. It's like there's a lining inside and everything. I just feel like I'm stuck to my jacket. Like the jacket's wearing me. No, that doesn't make sense. Yes, it does. No. Anyways, there's the water gardens. I could go to the water garden. I'd have to park though. Let me go to the water gardens. Let me go frolic. I'll be right back. I guess I'm not going to the water gardens because they want to pretend to block it off. That gun parkour is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I might even, oh my package is delivered. Yay. I bought some Young LA. Let me hide my address. That totally just showed my address. But yeah, people are probably wondering why I'm sitting up here with a helmet on. I don't get how bike talkers be doing this, bro. When they go places, like go into a store with a helmet on or something. I just don't understand it because, do people not look at you like you're a psychopath? It's like a Tron Legacy cosplay, you know? Except you're the only one participating and nobody else knows what you're doing. It's just kind of strange. I kind of want to go in there. That looks like fun. Look at them, they're frolicking. I'm gonna take a picture and put it on the gram. Here we go, here we go, here we go. You get an inside look into my life. Oh my god, Romeo posted, yo, W Romeo, what are we doing today? Drinking Dutch Bros again. What do you know? Dude, how does this man get sponsored by literally everybody? I never understand it. He got a package from Universal. He's got Dutch Bros commented on his video. I mean, I guess it makes sense. He makes like lifestyle content and stuff like that. I do not. I make motorcycle stuff, so I'm lucky to get Red Bull with me. I mean, I'm beyond blessed for that. But anyways, back to what I was doing. I was gonna take a little picture, the city picture. Okay. For the gram, for the subs, for the subskis. Let me get cinematic with it. Oh shoot. Ooh. God bless, I look like a little chipmunk. Visor down, sexy mode engaged. They'll never know. Why am I just chilling here at the water gardens? People are probably gonna see that and be like, what are you doing, dude? Like, I don't know. I just be doing it. I promise I'm not a creep for just wearing a helmet at the water. What if I just fell off of that, dude? What if? I could totally just jump into there and nobody can stop me. Literally nobody. I'm gonna just go climb around. You mind if I climb around? Monkey about. I don't know if you're supposed to be climbing on this stuff. I assume so. Why not, you know? Because it's public. I think you don't have to pay to get in here. If you have to pay to get in here, I kind of just accidentally broke in. Imagine if I got my bike up here for a picture. Oh, that'd be sick. With that in the background. That'd be so cool. How do I get Pluto up here? I'd have to do like a bunny hop. I've been seeing people on TikTok doing bunny hops and stuff. I really want to try it, but man, who knows? These boots are not great for climbing, I'll admit. Did I leave my key in the bike? No, I didn't. Okay. All right. Well, that was fun. That was adventurous. I'm going to slowly cruise out of here and see if I can find anything else to stop and waste my time on before I dip. If not, we'll just get some good old highway clips. So we'll see when I see, you feel me? I think these people are just enjoying the day. I wish I was enjoying the day. I'm playing. I am enjoying the day. The day's always enjoyed when it's with me. What am I even saying, bro? I'm just kind of yapping right now. You know, I'm a confident man. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm lost. I don't know where I'm at, to be honest with you. I just took a one-way road. I was following this bus. But I think the bus has other plans other than to go to my house, maybe. So that was kind of fun. Sorry about that. Yeah, because this just goes to like outside of downtown Fort Worth. How do I go home? How do I go outside of downtown Fort Worth? Man, the whole gang's pimping out over here. What it do, shawties? What's up, gang? An R7? Oh no, that's a BMX bike. There's so many homeless people, dude. That's so sad. Oh, look how fun! There's a little mural. Maybe I'll go look at the little mural. Look at that. It says hope. Bringing the world together, one friendship at a time. Sister cities, whatever that means. I couldn't tell you. I've never been here. I don't know where I am. It's kind of nice though. It's kind of chill, you know? There's so many homeless people. Oh my god. Where am I? It's like everybody that's here is homeless. This place is like abandoned though. It's kind of strange. I feel bad, man. They're all just waiting around for something. Train station there. I need to pull over to figure out where to go, but this probably isn't the best place to do it. Not that I don't trust these people or anything, but you know, sometimes it can get a little sketchy, especially in an area I'm not familiar with. So that chick is like boogieing down, bro. She hitting the emotes. I'll try to zoom in on her. I don't know what she's doing, but she like squatting. Oh, she's up now. Oh, she down. Maybe she's getting linebacker ready, bro. Oh, she's smoking something. There's a haunted house right there. That looks kind of sick. This is so spooky, bro. I need to get on I-35. Where is that? Are you I-35? That has an entrance. That's I-30. No, that's 287. Oh no, that's fine. I can get on that one too. I need to go left there, but that truck is just ready to eat me out like a fruitcake. Just gonna be real with you. Okay. Let me figure my life out real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I pulled over at the auto sales. I was trying to shout out this business, but I guess I won't because their sign doesn't even say what they are. Okay, but anyways, I found out the way. I just gotta make a U-turn and then hop on the highway and then just go straight, and hopefully I'll be familiar at some point with where I'm going. My bike's not on. There we go. My bike is hot. This is great. This is fun. I don't understand why people stay at these hotels. Like, no, okay, never mind. Let me take that back. I understand why, like from a financial standpoint, but that man pulled up in a Porsche. Why do you have a Porsche and you're staying at that hotel? I mean, nothing wrong with it, you know, it's close to the city, but I mean, you're next to, is that a prison? No, maybe, I don't know, who knows. But you get what I'm saying, right? Like, this ain't really the spot. There's the homeless hangout right there. They just be kind of chilling, dude. Kind of swag. I need to focus on driving here and there. Express lane entrance, not what I'm looking for, but that'll do, I guess. I think I go straight. I'm gonna go straight because I know I-30 is not the right highway. Question of the day to make sure you're still watching. What is your favorite energy drink? Put it in the comments below. If we have the same favorite energy drink, I'll heart your message or something, I don't know. I'm sure you guys know what mine is. I mean, come on, let's be real, come on. Stop playing around, you know? Oh my God! Speak of the devil, look who's in front of me. Aww, they just love me so much. They want to stay around with me. It's a Red Bull truck. Those things are so cool. I've never seen this one in action before. Like, I've seen the Mini Coopers and stuff riding around, but I've never seen one of these. So this, I guess the side's open, and they just have like a, is it just like a big cooler of Red Bull? That's kind of sick. Yeah. But I appreciate you all watching. Stay tuned for next Wednesday's video. I love you all.